Tesla changed consumer expectations for EVs. I want to talk about culture now. Rivian is changing expectations for what EVs feel like. What do you think
Yeah,
Rivian has changed culturally about how people think about electric vehicles?
that adventure approach that we have in our vehicles, that clean, understated, but at the same time premium design, that vehicle that can be driven every day to work, but at the same time can be used for your weekend adventures. So that combination of weekend adventures, going out off road, with the daily commuting, is, I think, is a great add-on. As well, you know, the 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 sustainability piece, how we are connected to our mission, in keeping the world adventures forever. So those are some of the elements that Rivian have has introduced to our customers.
Is it also it's almost building its own culture on a daily basis, isn't it? As more people are exposed to it, as you're coming out with new vehicles, as you know, the word of mouth starts to spread, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. And we are very excited now with the launch of R2. That is a car that, is gonna be less price than the R1, so we can access, in that package, to a bigger audience. We have customers that couldn't reach on R1 because of the position, but they will be able to do it with R2. So we'll dramatically increase our customer reach through this R2, and it's a great car.
Yeah. A lot of talk, Javier, in the last year or so about American manufacturing. You're you're doing it. I mean, you're sourcing parts in America. You're building in America. I was in the room with your founder, RJ Scaringe, when he walked in and told me and probably four or five other people that you were going to take over, Rivian was going to take over the Normal, Illinois plant, and that would become a centerpiece of Rivian's story. In many ways, RJ was ahead of the manufacturing conversation in America before a lot of other people. What are you most proud of operationally in what Rivian is doing in the United States, and also how the facility in Illinois has evolved?
Yeah. The strategy that I always had in my previous operations experiences, of building where you sell.
Yeah.
Uh, I really adhere to it. I'm a real supporter of that approach. Um, Building where you sell, sourcing where you build. And in the case of Rivian, that's one of the attractive things for me to join, right? Is that there were many areas where both approaches, my thinking and Rivian strategy, were matching, were exactly connecting. So this is to say that Rivian strategy has been from the start this building America, sourcing America, for our American customers. The first plant is the one in Normal, Illinois. This plant has been growing over the last years, and the big element that we are adding now is a new process for R2. So we have established, it's already built and in test, a new body shop, a new general assembly, I mean the final assembly line, new battery assembly line, and new drive unit assembly line. And we have as well increased the capacity in the paint shop to be able to host at the same time R1, the R2, and the van we are building in here. Additionally, in that building in America, we are preparing a new plant in Georgia, in close to Atlanta. We will start construction this year. I mean, we started already grading the site. It's a very nice site, surrounded by trees, really matching our environmental purposes. Really nice plan. So growth in normal with a new flow for producing R2, and more than doubling the capacity we have installed, and a new plant in Georgia will start very soon.